Instagram just launched a new feature, and now it is possible to automatically DM anyone who shares your content in their Instagram story. So in this video, I will show you what tool you need, how to set it up step by step, and the best ways to use this, including how I would use this for my own clients. And you will get my template for free so that you can copy and paste it and get started today. But before we do any of that, let me first show you how this works on Instagram. So now I am on Instagram, and then if I go to my Chatamize demo account, Chatamize demo, then here I click on it, and then I can just add this to my own story. And then you can add also some text, so like nice content. Oh, nice content. Add it to my story. Done. So I share this inside my story, and then automatically I get a DM from Chatamize demo. So here you can already see it went from 2 to 3. And then here it says, hey, I shared our post. Thank you so much. Most people don't do that, so I really appreciate it. As a thank you, here's a private 7-minute loom. Just click the button below or reply with stuck. So here I click on yes, send it over. And then it says, awesome. Inside the loom, I share why you're stuck at 1-2 clients a month, the mistake that's causing it, and how to fix it. And then when you click that button, that goes to watching the loom. So that's a very simple setup of how you can use this feature. And we can set up this feature by using a tool called Manychat. So Manychat is one of the best Instagram DM automation platforms in the world, and I use them all the time for all of my clients. Like, I use them because they're easy to use, 100% meta approved, and they're very cheap. They offer a free plan, and the pro plan already starts at $15 a month. And you can just go to the link in the description, and there you will find my link and will find my discount code that gives you 30 days of the pro plan for free. And full disclaimer, this is an affiliate link, but it doesn't have any influence on the price you pay, and it definitely helps me with creating free videos like these. So you can just go to the link in the description, or you can go to chatamize.com/MC, and that will bring you directly to the Manychat website. And then here you can click on Get Started, and then click on Get Started with either Google or Facebook. Once you have continued with Facebook or Google, you need to click on the channel, which is in this case Instagram. And I have a separate video on my YouTube channel that explains how you can connect your Instagram account to Manychat. So after you've watched this video, I highly recommend going to that video as well. I already have a Manychat account, so I would just click here on Sign In, and then click on sign in with Facebook. So now I am in Manychat, and then we can just go to automation, and then here we can create a new folder. And if you want to skip this entire setup, you can also just go to the link in the description, and there you can find my free template. What we can do here is we're just going to build this out from scratch. So I recommend adding a new folder to keep things organized. So this is the auto DM after story share. And then this will consist of 2 automations. So we're going to create 2 automations and connect these to each other. So let's start with the first one. So that's a new automation. Click for start from scratch and then start with a blank. And we will just call this auto DM. And each automation in Manychat starts with a trigger, and the trigger is the event that starts the automation. So in this case, you want to start the automation when somebody shares one of our content in their story. So here we can click on new trigger, go with Instagram, and then go with user shares your post or reel as a story. And then here you can determine whether you want to go with a specific post or reel, any post or reel, or the next post or reel. In general, I recommend going with any post or reel, and sending the next message. You can either do it right away, or you can do it after a certain amount of time. For right now, I would just do it right away. And then here we have the first message. So when you click here on Instagram, what's really important is that this first message is set to send as a private reply. If it's not set to send as a private reply, it will not work. So I would just copy the text from my second screen, but here we will say, hey, I saw you shared our post. Thank you so much. Most people don't do that. As a thank you, here's a private 7-minute loom where I break down why most coaches get stuck at 1 to 2 clients a month. Just click the button below or reply with stuck. So here we can then add a quick reply, and a quick reply is a button where people can click on in the Instagram DMs. So here I always use an emoji, and then we can set it to yes, send it over. And what's really important with this message, and I will just tell you already, here we say just click the button below or reply with stuck. And the reason why we do that is quick replies are like buttons, but they are only visible on Instagram mobile. They are not visible on Instagram desktop. And because of that, if you don't give the second option or reply with stuck, people that are on Instagram desktop, they cannot go further inside your automation. So that's why we give two options. The quick replies for people that are in Instagram mobile, and the or reply with stuck is for people that are on Instagram desktop. So those are the two ways. So this is kind of the first automation, and then we need to connect it to the next automation. So again, we can go to automation, go to the folder, and then we can create a new automation, start from scratch. And we will call this one send resource, because here's we're going to send the resource. And then here we are going to start the trigger either when they click on the quick reply, or they reply with stuck. So we can just add a message trigger here. So we can add a new trigger, user sends a message, and then go if the message begins with stuck or begins with stuck with double quotes or single quotes, or they misspell it in some way, then we're going to start this automation. And then inside this automation, the only thing that we're going to do is we're going to give them that free resource. So here we will say, awesome. Inside the Loom, I share why you're stuck at 1 to 2 clients a month, the mistake, and how to fix it. Just click the button below to watch it. And then here you can just add a button. And then to this button, we can always add a nice emoji and then say, watch the Loom. And then here you can just open up a website which can go to the Loom video that you have created. So here we have, for example, loom.com. And that's basically it. So here we can just set live. Once you have set it live, don't forget to also connect the quick reply to this automation. So you can do this, connect this one to start automation, and then we can connect it to the automation that we just created. And then we hit set live. And then it is working. So now anytime a user shares your post or reel as a story, we send them this message. If they reply with stuck or they click on that quick reply, they go to the next automation where we are basically going to share what we're giving them and just a link to giving this. And that's how you can set up this feature with Manychat. And that brings us to the last question. How should you use this feature? And first thing, I would only use this feature when people share your content in a positive way. If it could be that they share your content in a negative way, it could actually hurt the relationship that you have with your leads and customers. So I would only use this when people share your content in a positive way. Well, if they do that, I wouldn't use this feature to sell. I don't recommend using it to sell. I would only recommend this to strengthen the relationship. And you can also see that by the example that I gave you in this video. We're not going to ask someone for their name or email. We're not going to turn them into a lead. We're not going to ask them for a sale. We're just going to strengthen the relationship. And we want to give them something that normal people don't get. So for example, if you are a creator, you can give them a freebie, such as a Notion document, or you can give them a Loom. And if you're an e-commerce company, you can just give them a discount. You say, hey, thank you for mentioning us. A lot of people don't do that. So as a thank you, here's a 10% or a 20% discount that you can use whenever you want to. And what this does, it actually does two things. First of all, it shows appreciation. And second of all, it turns fans into brand ambassadors. So that's the kind of first thing. I just give them something that makes your audience feel special. And the second thing that I am using this for is with a giveaway funnel. And the giveaway funnel is one of the funnels that I give away in my paid school community, where you can learn as a business owner, freelancer, or agency how you can set up Manychat the right way and turn strangers into leads and customers. But what you do with a giveaway is that you give something away for free that gets you a lot of leads, and then you select one grand prize winner, and then you offer everyone else the product at a discount. So you can give them a 10 or 20% discount. And what you can do with this funnel is that you can reverse engineer virality. So what you can do is you let people sign up for your giveaway in the DMs, and then once they are signed up, you can say, hey, you are now signed up, but you can actually double your chances of winning the giveaway if you share our giveaway post in your story. And what then will happen is that a lot of people will do that because they want to double the chances of winning their giveaway. And that will eventually lead to more shares. More shares will lead to more reach on your account and on your giveaway. That will lead to more leads and people signing up for the giveaway. And eventually that will lead to more customers. So that's basically it. That's how I would use this. I would either use this with a giveaway, or I would use this as a thank you and build a relationship with your audience. But that's basically it. That's how you can automatically DM anyone after sharing your content in their Instagram stories. And if you want to copy my exact setup, you can just go to the link in the description where you can get my templates for free. But this is just the start. The next step is to automatically DM anyone who comments on your Instagram post. Please check out this video to learn how.